the ocean is a rainbow waiting for the people to acknowledge its immense beauty and amazement. Hello Amrita Kairali Shraddha listeners, it's me RJ Vipin. Today I'm going to discuss about the topic the ocean too owns a rainbow. Water taken in a glass is transparent, but when we look at water in the sea, we see wonderful shades of blue and green. Why? In 1921, Sir C.V. Raman had the same question on his mind as he watched the deep blue colored Mediterranean Sea. Till then, scientists believed that the sea is blue because it reflects the color of the sky. But Sir C.V. Raman discovered that it was water itself that scattered the blue light. His findings came to be known as the Raman Effect, and it won him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. The color variation in the oceans depends on how light is absorbed by the water. Ocean scatters blue light more than the other colors and it appears blue. The presence of organisms, plants, sediments and pollutants also is a factor of ocean color. Now let's look at some beautiful colors displayed by the oceans. Blue color. Water molecules absorb the longer wavelength, that is red, of the visible spectrum, but it scatters the shorter wavelength, that is blue. So the ocean appears blue just like the sky. But there are different shades of blue depending on water depth, seabed color, and the presence of suspended particles, plankton, and pollutants. Green color. Phytoplanktons absorb the red and blue regions of visible light for photosynthesis, but the chlorophyll pigment present in them reflects green. So depending on the type and amount of phytoplanktons present, the ocean appears in different shades of green. Oceans with high concentrations of phytoplanktons appear blue-green to emerald green. Example, the Atlantic Ocean near the east coast of America. Yellow color. The Yellow Sea lies between China and Korea. As the name indicates, its water is yellowish. A lot of mineral-rich soil is emptied into this sea by rivers, especially the Yellow River Huang He. The sand particles in the river water give the sea its yellowish color. Brown color. The sea appears brown in some coastal waters. It is due to the presence of plant materials, sediment and phytoplankton, example diatoms. This is common at the estuaries. An estuary is an area where a river or lake meets the sea. Here, the mud and debris from river water mix with ocean water. A compound called tannin from nearby vegetation which mixes with the water and the presence of some plankton also make the water brown. Example, waters of coastal Alapura during Chagara, Mudbank and Guyana in South America. Like the Muizenberg beach in South Africa, brown waves are sometimes due to the presence of diatoms or due to topography, the shape of the beach within all its ups and downs. The brown color can also be due to the mixing of polluted water from land which contains industrial waste and sewage. Red color. The Red Sea is in the Middle East between Egypt and Saudi Arabia. Extensive blooms of the red algae give the Red Sea its color. When these algae die, they stain the sea with a reddish brown color. Black color. The Black Sea is a large inland sea in southeastern Europe. High concentrations of phytoplankton make the sea appear dark in color. Also, metal objects from ships, dead plants and animal matter that lie below 150 meters in the sea for a long period of time get covered with black sludge. This is due to the high concentration of hydrogen sulfide, H2S, in the Black Sea. White color. The White Sea is a part of the Arctic Ocean located near northwestern Russia. It is covered with ice for 6 to 7 months every year and so is called the White Sea. People also believe that the name originates from the whitish color of the water reflecting the northern sky. Now, time for a bonus fact. What are planktons? Planktons are microscopic plants, phytoplankton, and animals, zooplankton in the oceans. They cannot swim against the movement of ocean water. Zooplanktons eat phytoplanktons. Cyanobacteria, diatoms, dinoflagellates, and green algae are some groups of phytoplanktons. From all these facts, we can finally conclude that the ocean truly owns a rainbow. Thank you all for tuning to SRADHA. It's me, RJ Vipin, signing off.